All right, guys, this is the KC360 TV. Please, if you come across this channel, like, share, and comment for more video. But we are going to talk about what is going on now in court. MC Maker, Nnamdi Kanu now is in court. Report reaching us is that Justice Omotosho is likely will be the very judge that going to free Nnamdi Kanu. Let me have your reaction on what is going on now in court.
Of course, the Justice Motosho does not have choice because it is now. Nnamdi Kanu is also ready to school Motosho. Don't forget about the antecedent of Nnamdi Kanu. How is school Justice Yanku that make him to resign? Other big
Justice Binta Nyako was rescue herself from Nnamdi Kanu because you look as if Nnamdi Kanu is very strong for the likes of Justice Binta Nyako to handle. But Justice Omotosho maybe is afraid or the is scared of Nnamdi Kanu because it's like people have been saying that yes, this judge is the kind of judge that Nnamdi Kanu would like to reckon with, and Judge Omotosho is the kind of judge that yes, Nnamdi Kanu really want to be with, and it's likely, hopefully, that it is the same judge that are going to make sure that he free Nnamdi Kanu. But MC Maker, and now that Nnamdi Kanu has started to have that faith and believe in Justice Omotosho, sooner or later maybe Nnamdi Kanu will be free soon.
Yes, of course. If Nnamdi Kanu, the Nigerian government does not have a choice. He will be released. They are just trying to prolong him so that the Nigerian government can achieve their aim. But it will not work. As I speak to you now, Justice Omotosho is in panic mode because even right now, top leaders in the world, information reaching out to me reportedly that Omotosho has been receiving call from the world. Top politicians in the world are calling him that he should do the needful. If he did not do the needful, they are going to censure him. And as I speak to you now, Omotosho's leg is shaking. He's shaking because he has done the needful. Don't forget that Justice Peter Yanku advised President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he should settle this case politically because they've seen that Nnamdi Kanu have a long hair to win this case than federal government. I don't know why President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC regime are so adamant to release Nnamdi Kanu because at the first place, how Buhari bring this man to Nigeria is unlawful. It's against our constitution. You want to
Also report reaching
from Kenya and bring him to Nigeria.
yes, MC has also reported that Benjamin Netanyahu and Putin in conjunction with Donald Trump pick interest in this Nnamdi Kanu issue, that they also sent a direct message to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he makes sure that he release Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, Donald Trump have sent some lawyers from Igbo extraction for them to make sure that they witness the case and see and bring reports back to him. But MC Maker, do you think that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Nigeria government will listen to the likes of the powers that speak in the world, like Donald Trump, Putin, and Benjamin Netanyahu?
Of course, Nigerian government does not have a choice than to listen to the world leader, people like Benjamin Netanyahu, Donald Trump, because these are one powerful leaders, the putty of this world. Nigeria, that's why we are a sovereign nation. We still rely on these people. We borrow money. We listen to them. So for me, Donald Trump is the president of the world. Now that information reaching me now that Benjamin Netanyahu, putty of this world, they are allies of Donald Trump. They have advised Donald Trump now that Donald Trump, the only way you can depopulate the blacks in America is to make sure that you make Biafra to get their freedom. Because by the time Biafra get their exit from Nigeria, then many Biafrans in the US will return home to come and invest in their land. Because I speak to you, many Biafra, many Biafrans, many Nigerians in US, in abroad, in Europe, they have given up in Nigeria because of the way Nigerian leaders have turned themselves to as a vampire. Look at what is happening in Nigeria, where people no longer respect the rules of law. People no longer respect the institution. So all these big wings, big fish that have money to come and invest, they feel reluctant in the outside in Europe, in America now. So they are advising Donald Trump that the only way you can depopulate the blacks in America is to make sure that Biafra get their freedom. Once Biafra get their freedom, I can tell you that 80% or 55% of blacks in America will relocate to Biafra land. And that's why Donald Trump is pushing very hard to make sure Biafra get their freedom from Nigeria.
All right, MC Maker, And what will you tell the followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that now that he have faith in justice Omotosho, and the federal government is also ready to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Do you think that is a thing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should? Okay, will you advise Nnamdi Kanu that after he finally got his own freedom, that he should still remain in Nigeria, or he should relocate to United Kingdom?
No, it depends on the judgment, because if you watch about the judgment of the appeal court, where during the Buhari period was said that person and the should be returned to where they pick him unlawfully. So if you return him, then you can now find a way of bring him back to Nigeria to come and face the case you charge against him. So I don't know what Motorshaw is going to do. Whether he's going to say, okay, oh, return Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back to Kenya where he's being kidnapped, so that he can come back and face his trial. But whatever way they like it, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria is his home. Biafra is his home, which he have declared. I don't think anybody have any right to tell him that you go to abroad to go and stay. As I speak to you now, whether Nigeria like it or not, at this situation where we are, many people, not even Biafra alone, are fighting how Nigeria will be divided. Because it is that many people have given up in Nigeria. Look at what is happening. Where a few greedy people have taken the country as their own personal property. They do whatever they like. They don't obey the rules of law. You can declare a state of emergency in a state whereby no law to guide you. So for me, many Nigerians are not only Biafra are ready for Biafra to go for the Nigeria to be divided, so everybody will go on their own. So if you ask me whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if they release him, is coming to Nigeria, is coming to Abroad, of course, he will go to his land, ancestral land in Biafra land.
All right, MC the Waymaker. Now, finally, MC the Waymaker. Let me